listen, and practice. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was known for his compassion and kindness. His heart overflowed with empathy, and he was always willing to lend a helping hand to those in need. One day, an old woman named Clara moved into the village. She was known to be mysterious and kept mostly to herself. Rumors circulated that she possessed a magical lantern that had the power to reveal a person's true character. The catch was that the lantern only worked when an act of genuine kindness was performed. Intrigued by the rumors, Oliver decided to seek out Clara and discover the truth behind the magical lantern. As he approached her humble cottage, he noticed her struggling to carry a heavy load of firewood. Without hesitation, Oliver rushed to her aid. "Let me help you, ma'am," he offered with a warm smile. Clara looked at Oliver with a twinkle in her eye and accepted his assistance. As they reached her cottage, Clara revealed the legendary lantern. She explained its power to Oliver and thanked him for his selfless act. With curiosity, Oliver asked if he could borrow the lantern for a day. Clara agreed, cautioning him to use it wisely. Excited, Oliver set out to test the lantern on the villagers. To his surprise, some who seemed kind were revealed to harbor selfish motives, while others, with gruff exteriors, had hearts of gold. As the day unfolded, Oliver realized the true value of kindness. The lantern not only exposed the nature of others, but also reflected the goodness within himself. He began to understand that genuine kindness wasn't just a tool to unveil others. It was a lantern that illuminated one's own soul. The next day, as Oliver returned the lantern to Clara, he noticed a commotion near the village square. A stray dog, frightened and hungry, had wandered into the village. Without a second thought, Oliver, with a lantern in hand, approached the trembling creature. To everyone's surprise, the lantern glowed brighter than ever, revealing not just Oliver's kindness, but also the innate goodness within the scared stray. The villagers, moved by the sight, decided to create a small shelter for the dog, and soon enough, it became the village's beloved companion. And so, in the village surrounded by rolling hills, the legend of the magical lantern lived on, reminding everyone that a single act of kindness could light up the darkest corners of the world, creating ripples of goodness that extended far beyond what the eye could see.